Today I'm going to talk about why you need golden pothos in your home, whether you live in a small apartment such as mine or you live in a large land house. You need golden pothos for its many benefits. Now, apart from its attractive trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, it has so many benefits for your health. First of all, air purification. Golden pothos is an excellent air purifier. It can remove toxins such as xylene, toluene, and nitrogen oxides from the air, and it creates a healthier indoor environment. It's one of the easiest plants to care for. It's low maintenance. It thrives in various light conditions also, including low light. And here in Finland, we're experts at low light because of the really long winters, around nine and a half months of dark winter time here, and it does require minimal watering. It can also tolerate some neglect, making it an ideal choice for busy or inexperienced plant owners. Also, it increases humidity and it releases moisture during transpiration, which can really help to increase the humidity levels in your home, and very, very important and beneficial in anyone that's living in a dry indoor environment. It also is beautiful. It's aesthetically pleasing, and it has beautiful lush green leaves, and it adds a touch of natural beauty to any room, to any home as well. It enhances the mood and it improves focus and productivity, and that's actually been proven in some studies linked in the description box below that suggest that the presence of indoor plants, including golden pothos, can really help to enhance concentration, focus, and productivity. Now, being surrounded with nature, even indoors, can really positively impact cognitive function and creativity. Also, it's good for feng shui. That's something that you believe in. Now, golden pothos in feng shui is believed to bring good luck, wealth, and positive energy to the home. It's often placed in specific areas in the house to attract prosperity and harmony. I don't personally do that, but I do have golden pothos scattered in the house, and I am trying to propagate some, as you can see, in water, and they're really easy to propagate. So if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.